From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather tonight.
Temperatures will continue to drop through the 60s as we head through the overnight, and many of us getting down to the mid to upper 50s for morning lows. Here's your hourly forecast breakdown. Notice, though, that clouds hang tough for many of us, especially high-level clouds. That will keep us from getting quite as cool as what we otherwise could. I think if the clouds weren't there, many of us would be down into the 53 to 55 degree range, but as it stands, this will act as a little bit of an insulating blanket, keeping us generally between about 56 or 57 and about 61 for your morning lows. You see those clouds hanging tough through the morning. They're not really thick clouds. They're mainly high-level cloud cover. So starting generally in the mid to upper 50s over southern middle Tennessee, upper 50s to lower 60s over northwest Alabama. Those clouds thin with time as we head through our Thursday, so we get increasing sunshine, especially by the afternoon, so that warms us into the upper 70s and the lower 80s for daytime highs as we get into our Thursday afternoon. Still keeping that northerly to northeasterly wind between 7 and 12. That reinforces the drier, low-level air mass, and here's the low humidity. Feeling great out there for a mid-September afternoon for our Thursday, dropping back out of the 70s and 80s into the 60s during the evening. And I do think we'll get closer to the mid to upper 50s for overnight lows Thursday night into Friday morning with a little less cloud cover out there. Friday, the clouds start to build back a bit, and I can't rule out a light sprinkle or a shower Friday. You're not going to see that technically on the 7-day because the chance of rain's only about 10%, but there might be a sprinkle or a shower, and we might have to up that to 20%. Kelly will look at that for the morning and midday updates tomorrow. And then as the cold front arrives over the weekend, chance of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms from Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, possibly into the first half of our Sunday, but no widespread heavy rain with that, no severe weather expected with that front over the weekend. Upper 70s, lower 80s here through our Friday. Southern Middle Tennessee for Thursday and Friday, I think it's upper 70s, maybe lower 80s over northwest Alabama. Everybody into the low to mid 80s from the weekend into the start of next week. As you grab that first cup of coffee on the way out the door in the morning, starting in the mid to upper 50s, maybe lower 60s south of the Tennessee line, mostly cloudy, but we become partly cloudy and mostly sunny as we head to the afternoon. As those high-level clouds start to move out and the low-level clouds burn off, that gets us up again into the upper 70s to near 80 over southern middle Tennessee, lower 80s over northwest Alabama. More the same for Friday, but clouds increasing a bit, and maybe a shower. We might have to put a shower chance on there. I have it at 10% right now. If we bump it to 20, you'll see that on the icon. And then a few scattered showers and thunderstorms over the weekend, roughly between Saturday afternoon and the first half of Sunday. There's some timing discrepancy in the models there to nail down the exact timing. Behind that front, not really cooler, but still very comfortable into the low to mid 80s next week. That front does reinforce the low humidity, though, across the area. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. Kelly Rosson's in the Weather Center tomorrow morning with another check of your local weather.